Hello everyone, today we are going to fold a lily flower. We will need 2 square pieces of paper. Let's start with the first piece, the pink one. First, fold these 2 corners together. Unfold. Fold these 2 corners together. Unfold. Turn it over. Fold the top and bottom edges together. Unfold. Fold the left and right edges together. Unfold. Turn it over. Pinch the sides in the middle. Fold down. Form a small square. Rotate it. Align this edge with the center line. Align the left edge with the center line. Turn it over. Align this edge with the center line. Align this edge with the center line. Lift it up. Place your finger here. Fold this part the same way. Place your finger inside. Fold it the same way as before. Place your finger inside. Now it looks like this. Find the side with the middle line. Align this edge with the middle line. Align this edge with the middle line. Rotate it. Lift it up. Unfold. Fold this part up. Form a triangle. Turn it over. Align this edge with the middle line. Align this edge with the middle line. Lift it up. Unfold it. Fold this part up. Form a triangle. Find it. Locate the middle seam. Fold this edge to the center. Do the same on the other side. Lift it up. Same as before. Form a triangle. Let's find it. Locate the middle line. Fold it the same way as before. Lift it up. Form a triangle. Now it looks like this. Rotate it. Lift it up. Pinch the two corners and pull outwards. Fold the triangle inside. Fold this triangle inside. Gently pull apart. Fold the triangle inside. Gently pull apart. Fold inside. Gently pull apart. Use your thumb to flip it up. Fold inside. Now it looks like this. Next, we fold this part to the side. Then rotate it. Align this edge with the center line. Align the top edge with the center line. Turn it over. Find the side with no seam. Fold the top edge to the center. Fold the bottom edge to the center. Find the side with no seam. Fold the top edge to the center. Find the side with no seam. Fold the bottom edge to the center. Fold the top edge to the center. Fold the top edge to the center. Now it looks like this. Let's find a pin. Lift it up. Start rolling. Roll this part too. Do the same with this corner. Now our flower is finished. Next, take the green paper. Roll this corner inside. Apply some glue here to stick it together. Use scissors to cut a small hole here. Thread it through here. Apply some transparent tape to secure it here. Our flower is now complete. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.